Is up, everybody? Welcome back to this week's edition of Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. All right, this is week 4, and for today, I wanted to hit Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. This has always been a look I've wanted to do because Bubbles is really like me for real. I've always resonated with her character the most out of the 3 girls, but anyway, for this look, I'm mainly using my Beauty Bay Midnight palette, and I'm going in with that first baby blue shade in the palette and using that as my transition. And one thing I'll say about this shade in the palette, just keep working with it. Like, I just keep applying and blending until I get it to the level of opacity. Opacity that I want. But yeah, you just keep working with it and you can see like it's getting more and more pigmented as I'm going. So. And I'm just applying that same shade to my lower lash line. And next I'm going in with kind of more the true blue shade in the palette, and I'm taking my e.l.f. crease brush and I'm stamping that into my crease. And I know something I did after this as well, I can't remember if I filmed it or not, but I also took the slightly deeper blue shade in the palette and applied on top of this just to provide even more depth and definition. Okay, and it looks like I applied that deeper blue to my lower lash line as well. Now for the shimmer shade, I was trying to decide between 2 different ones. The camera doesn't really do it justice. They kind of look the same almost, but I promise there are 2 different shades. I wound up going in with the paler blue shimmer. I just thought it was perfect to tie it together. So again, I'm just taking my finger and applying that lighter blue shimmer shade on the open space on my eyelid. And next I am taking my Carnival XL Pro palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics, and I'm just going in with that white shade in the palette. I just really love the white in this palette. It's just very pigmented and it stands out, so I'm just applying that to my inner corner. All right, the mascara, eyeliner, and lashes are now on, so now it's time for that lip. I am just going in with my brown Kiss lip liner that I use very often, and then I'm also taking my favorite Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Toffee, just kind of for a more nude lip for this. And there is the final transformation. I added my blonde wig and my little fur hair ties and these shades. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with how this look came out, you guys. Just a nice little modern twist on Bubbles. I just felt really cute and bubbly, haha, pun intended. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I had fun creating this one. I'll see you guys next week for the last spooky edition Slay Sunday. Bye, you guys.